Nicole Kidman for her role in Baby Girl.
It was really confronting, but at the same time I was grateful.
You're smoky inside.
Ultimately, the Aussies were unsuccessful. The biggest winners of the night, Jacques Cordian, Amelia Perez.
This is such an American experience.
Just wait till that.
And Shogun, each claiming
So
4
what I
globes.
hope they do.
The Brutalist, 3, including Best Motion Picture Drama and Best Actor.
I'm so grateful. I will cherish this moment forever. Thank you.
In the musical and comedy category, acts Demi Moore taking home the first award of her career, winning in a category where she didn't seem to fit.
I'm fine.
Best Actress in a Musical or Comedy for her performance in The Substance.
I've been doing this a long time, like over 45 years, and this is the first time I've ever won anything. It wouldn't be showbiz without a dark horse, and this year it's Pamela Anderson, nominated for her first Golden Globe in the last show that I've never thought it would be here.
Missing out this time, but there's always the Oscars. In the United States, Isabel Mullen, 7 News.
Hey, come on, come on. Gotcha. Morning, Smokey. Good boy. Good boy. Morning. Morning, miss. Hello. Jinxie girl. Outside. Alright, come on, girl. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Making a healthy smoothie.